2025 Harley-Davidson Low Rider ST Review. The Performance Cruiser King. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Low Rider ST solidifies its position as the ultimate West Coast-inspired performance cruiser, blending aggressive style with powerful touring capability. It's built for riders who demand both swagger and substance. Engine. At its heart is the mighty Milwaukee-Eight 117 V-twin engine, Harley's biggest factory-installed power plant, pumping out 103 lb-ft of torque. It delivers explosive acceleration and effortless highway passing power, all with that signature Harley rumble. Design. The ST's iconic frame-mounted fairing provides excellent wind protection, while the integrated, detachable hard saddlebags offer 53 liters of practical storage. Blacked-out finishes throughout reinforce its tough, no-nonsense attitude, completed by an aggressive riding position from its high bar and mid-controls. Handling. Built on the Softail chassis, the Low Rider ST surprises with its agility. It features a premium inverted front fork and an adjustable rear monoshock, providing precise handling and confident cornering, bridging the gap between a traditional cruiser and a dynamic sport tourer. Dual front disc brakes with ABS ensure strong stopping power. Features. While focused on raw experience, it includes essential modern touches like full LED lighting and a compact digital instrument display integrated into the handlebar riser. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Low Rider ST is a standout, offering thrilling 117 cubic inch performance, the practicality of a sport tourer, and undeniable custom-inspired style. It's a versatile machine that excels at both carving canyons and devouring highway miles, delivering a deeply satisfying Harley experience.